Man, what's up, man? I'm on YouTube, right? And I always go look up this nigga Nature Boy. Like, I be watching this shit. I'm all about, getting close to the earth, Mother Nature, and all that good shit. But this nigga, man, seen this video, man, this nigga taking a physical. You know, it looked like a physical anyway, man. Cause if that's what I thought it was, bro. Like, the doctor, he doing all the regular shit. He putting the little what's the name in the ear, checking, make sure everything good. Then all of a sudden, man, they go to a little part, and this nigga got a hard on, and the doctor got his dick in his hand. Like yeah. Like what the fuck? I'm still saying like, nah, man, it must be some type of physical shit. Trying to be naive to the situation that this nigga gay. And I can't fox with that. I ain't got nothing against gay people, but dog, you can't be in a position to where you leading and you in the closet. I can't respect that. You did. But anyway, back to the subject. At first I was just like, he taking a little physical, and maybe it's just some shit that he going through. Maybe the nigga going to go be a porn star and they trying to get his size and all that type of shit. I don't know. But shit, like right towards the end, man, all you see is this nigga legs in the air like a female, and the nigga sticking his finger in his booty hole, like in his booty hole, like he in there. No, man, Nature Boy, I can't fucks with you, dog. You got some good advice, man, but it just coming from the wrong person, bro. Cause I, at first I felt like I was looking at a rape video, but shit.